You can expect a lot from the 2020 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck offers the latest in technological innovation and style. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear step bumper, skid plates, lane departure warning, a trailer hitch, and air conditioning. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and ABS brakes. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.